Combien de tasses de farine, honey?
3 tasses de farine.
Ça, c'est un demi. C'est quoi ça en français? Tamisé?
Tamisé. Hein?
Tamisé, la farine.
On prépare des gaufres belges. Amène un couteau.
So, 3 cups of flour, guys. 3 tasses de farine tamisé, okay? Yeah, because this one stay overnight in the ref. Huh? So 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar,
Français, là, oui.
2 cuillères à table de sucre, 1 cuillère à thé de levure, instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, et 1 cuillère à thé de sel, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then you will mix
Together.
Mix together.
And
Now you are adding the eggs. 2 eggs. 1 at a time.
one at a time.
Another egg. It's not 1 at a time. You add together, huh? With you mix. After that, you will mix it. Just mix like that. And sweet.
Ensuite, vegetable.
Vegetable oil. How many, honey?
1/2.
1/2 cup of cooking oil, vegetable oil, guys.
Yeah.
And the milk.
Tiède.
Combien de tasses?
2 tasses.
2 tasses de lait. Lukewarm milk, 2 cups. 2 cups of lukewarm milk. 2 tasses de lait tiède. Puis mélange tout ça.
Comment ça, c'est...
C'est comme ça. C'est comme ça, toi. Après, c'est comme ça. C'était comme ça. I'll change the light. Non, c'est pas. Parce que c'est pas mélangé bien, Annie. C'est juste ça?
Juste ça.
C'est tout. C'est juste ça. Puis tu mets le couvert.
Oui.
Only that, and you will put cover.
And you put in the fridge.
And you will put in the fridge. Et mettre dans le frigo pendant toute la nuit. Puis demain matin, on a déjeuner des gaufres belges. Tomorrow morning, we will let it cool. We will let it out. Stay in the kitchen for let it out from the refrigerator and stay in the ref for 1 hour, and then we will cook our Belgian waffle. And you put a cover. Here's the cover. So now, guys, our waffle maker is already green. Now we will cook that. So it's here now. We will put the cover. Then it's top green because I put there the waffle gouffre. Actually, this one, guys, I let it out in the refrigerator, stay in the kitchen for 1 hour, and then it's like that. Green already, guys. So now we open. Check. It's really, really beautiful. It's really good. This what's this? This waffle maker, because it's non-stick, and you're not putting an oil. So it's green, guys. So we flip turn and it's open. Oh, it's white, but that's fine. I did not stay it long. We will stay it very long. I want to stay it long, guys. So I flip again, guys. Now let's see. It's now better result. I just put the gulp like that, guys. It doesn't matter what is the shape. As you can see, like that. We're not in the store, in the restaurant, have a beautiful shape. Having a perfect recipe. This recipe is really, really great. So you have to try this recipe. So that's it. A heart shape, guys. We will see if it's really a heart shape, the result of this one. So guys, we will check. Ah, it's not. Is it really a heart shape? Is it really a heart shape? A heart shape golf waffle. So that's it, guys. Our heart shape golf. So happy Valentine's Day to all. Here is the heart shape and the nose shape. Enough for us. This I already ate one golf, so my husband will eat the two. Huh? Heart-shaped golf. And this one can store in the refrigerator. Again, I will cook tomorrow. So, looks good, looks yummy. And just eating that one with maple syrup, guys. With a lots of maple syrup. Check the maple syrup.